With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is Van 't Hoff factor of aqueous solution of x, y and z are given, that is 1.8, 0.8 and 2.5 here. Hence there, as we are assuming here the equal concentrations of all the three are taken here, then we have to give the correct order of boiling point, then freezing point, then osmotic pressure and then vapor pressure. So let's solve the given question here. In this, the Van 't Hoff factors are given. So let's compare them, as x is having the value that is 1.8, then y is having the value that is 0.8, then z is having the value that is 2.5. So we can say that they are in the order that y is the smallest, then x, and then z is having the maximum value of Van 't Hoff factor. Now let's see what will be the, as we are taking the equimolar concentrations of all the three ions. Okay. Now let's see what will be the change in the boiling point. If we are going to calculate the change in the boiling point, then the formula for this would be Tb minus 100, then it would be I into Kb into molality. Okay, and as we can see here from this expression that the change in boiling point of the solution would be directly proportional to the Van 't Hoff factor here. So we can say as the Van 't Hoff factor is increasing in the same order, there would be increase in boiling point of the solution. So we can say order would be y would be least, having increase in the boiling point would be least for y, then for x and then for z. So let's check out the order given in the question. That is that is not giving us the correct order. Now let's check out for the freezing point. What is the relation between the freezing point and the I? If we see the formula, then it would be 0 minus Tf, then it would be equal to I into Kf into molality. Okay, Kf is also a constant. So if we want to calculate the depression and freezing point here, then it would be directly proportional to I, but not. This is carrying a minus sign. So we can say that the depression and freezing point, that is Tf here, that would be having an inverse relationship with this, that is minus I. So we can just reverse the order according to the Van 't Hoff factor. So we can say that y will have maximum, then x and then z. So let's see in the options which one is giving us this. So it is giving us order that is z, x and y. So it is the correct order. So we can say this option is the correct one. Now let's see the third option given here, that is for osmotic pressure. Let's see what is the relation between the osmotic pressure and the Van 't Hoff factor. If we want to see, the osmotic pressure can be given by the expression. So we can see here the osmotic pressure can be given by this formula, that is pi is equal to ICRT. So we can get the idea from this expression that the relation between the osmotic pressure and the Van 't Hoff factor is this, that is they are directly proportional to each other. So we can say that this order, that is y is having the minimum osmotic pressure, then x, then z, this should be followed for the osmotic pressure also. Now let's see in the options given here, we can see that this was given that x, y, z are having the equal osmotic pressure. That is not a correct statement. Okay, now let's see for the option B, option D given here, that is the vapor pressure. Let's check out the correct order of vapor pressure of the three ions here. For this, let's check out what is the relationship between the vapor pressure and the I. Vapor pressure is given by P0 into mole fraction. As you know, mole fraction is taking into consideration the number of moles present of each constituent. But here in the question it is told that they are having the equal concentration in all the three cases. So you can say that the mole fraction would be equal. So we can get the order of vapor pressure, that is they all will have the same vapor pressure. Okay, now let's see in the option. It is not giving us correct order. So it is also a wrong option. So option B is the correct answer of the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.